Hi and hello everyone. I am very glad to see you back. There is a twist today because till now we have taken the class in English as our kind suggestion of our subscribers. Hereafter our class will go bilingually. Okay. Today we are going to see second chapter polynomials. It comes under the second unit in our NCERT syllabus. See, algebra. The second unit is algebra. From this chapter, from this unit, we have it has included 4 topics. One is polynomials, another one is pair of linear equations in 2 variables, quadratic equations and arithmetic progressions. From this 4 chapter, we are going to have 20 marks in board paper. Okay, board exam la 20 marks ku in the chapters la irundhu question varapodhu. Right, நம்ம இப்ப polynomials அப்படினா என்னன்னு பாப்போம். Polynomials is nothing that it is a combination of quotient variable with the arithmetic symbols, right? For example, you can write anything, right? 2x square, 4x plus 2y is equal to 5. Like that, you can write any equation. Everything is polynomial. Okay. If there is no equal sign, it is called polynomial. If there is equal sign, it is called equation. That is only the difference. Understand? Yes. Now, polynomials la enna varieties, enna types irukku appdin paakalam. Types nu pathona, okay, polynomials la based on terms it is called as monomial, binomial, trinomial, biquadratic polynomial. It goes, right? Polynomial. And based on degree, we have linear, quadratic and cubic, it will go. Okay, based on terms is nothing that which we have learnt in 9th standard. Mono means 1, right? Mono means 1. The polynomial which has only one term. For example, 2x, 2xy or 100xyz or 4x square. Like that, there should be only one term. Next one, binomials. Binomial, bi means 2, mono means 1, bi means 2, right? Bi means 2, so 2x plus y, 3x square plus x, like that. Okay, it is called binomial. Trinomial, na, there will be 3 terms, so it is trinomial. Polynomial, more than one term is called polynomial, right? Based on degree, it is divided as linear, quadratic, cubic. Okay, based on degrees. For that, we have to know what is degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the polynomial is called degree. For example, if I write one equation 4x square plus 3x plus 2, what is the highest power of the variable? Here 2, 1 and here no variable, so it is 0, right? So the highest power is 2. Okay, when the polynomial has the degree as 1, it is called linear polynomial. Okay, when the polynomial has the degree as 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. Same, when the polynomial has 3 as degree, then it is called cubic polynomial. Okay, so let's see the example. For example, if it is 2x plus 5, it is the polynomial, degree of the polynomial is only 1, so it is linear polynomial. Understand? If the degree of the polynomial is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. And cubic polynomial, 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 1, like that. Okay, here there may be any terms it can miss or may not miss. For example, 3x cube plus 1, this is also cubic polynomial. Understand? When the degree, we have to find only the degree. If the degree is 1, it is linear. If the degree is 2, it is quadratic. If the degree is 3, it is cubic. Understand, dear? The linear polynomial, it also has, it is line, right? So the graph of the linear polynomial always will be a line, straight line. It may be like this. Okay, you all know in graph how to mention, right? Yes, it may be the straight line or like this or like this. It denotes a line always. Okay, when the polynomial denotes the line, it is called the linear polynomial. When the quadratic polynomial, if we draw a graph for quadratic polynomial, it will be a parabola. It will be a parabola. Okay, and cubic, it will like a wave. It will be like a wave. Okay, yes, this linear, quadratic, cubic, everything has a general structure. We cannot always teach this is linear, this is quadratic, this is cubic, like that. Yes, if the defined structure, when we see the standard form of the polynomial, we can say directly it is the linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial, like that. So what is the general structure of linear polynomial? Means ax plus b, where a should not be equal to 0. Understand? Next, quadratic. Quadratic means it is the general structure of ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0, because already we are defining this with the degree only. So the degree is 2, then only it is quadratic. So a should not be definitely equal to 0. Okay, yes. Next one, cubic. Cubic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a should not be equal to 0. Understand? Now you all very clear. I think you all very clear in linear, quadratic and cubic. Okay. From the next chapter, majorly we are going to deal with this quadratic only in our 10th standard. Okay. From the next video, we will see the exercise 2.1 and 2.2.
If you have any more doubts, you just give a comment and make sure to subscribe. Let's make math simple together.